The Velabit is definitely a large leap forward for Velodyne.
We wanted to take the sensors that we have and we wanted to use that in a super small package. Velodyne Lidars are already making the world a safer place. With Velabit, we are just going to make sure that that technology is even more available.
Most exciting thing about the Velabit is its size. The goal with the Velabit project was to really miniaturize LiDAR.
The initial focus was to remove blind spots around the vehicle.
While this idea sounds simple, it took lots of days and nights, a lot of hardworking and creative people to make that happen.
One of the critical aspects of the next generation Velabit was the focus on design for manufacturability in order to reduce the cost for mass production.
Challenges are how to make it smaller, how to make it even more power efficient, and mostly how to scale it. Customer feedback is really important to us. So the most recent customer feedback that we got is how close you can see. Near field detection is really important. So we are working really hard on getting a very clean picture, starting from almost less than 0.1 meters. Next gen Velabit is actually a lot better performing than the last one. Last generation Velabit could only scan from 60 degrees horizontal and then 10 degrees vertical. We have scaled that up from 60 by 10 to 90 by 70. So that's a huge change. Not only the field of view has expanded, but also we have increased our resolution quite a lot.
Because of its size, plus the field of view that it provides, it can be integrated into a vehicle on multiple locations, including side view mirrors, inside the grille, and just embedded to the point where you won't see it in the vehicle. The main goal of the Velabit is to enhance safety in a variety of different applications, not just having them integrated into every car in the world, but also in automated machines. Another exciting aspect of the Velabit is its low cost, which allows for widespread adoption in applications we couldn't imagine a few years ago.
The big takeaway with Velabit is the ability to democratize the acceptance of LiDAR across the world.
I see Velabit being used in auto industry. I see it being used in robotics. I see it being used in warehouses. Because of its small size and low cost, Velabit is going to be everywhere. It's a game changer in the LiDAR industry.